Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the system fan, remove the 5 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 captive screws on the rear of the base cover and lift the cover off the system. Find the battery cable and remove the piece of tape. Unplug the cable. Identify the system fan and remove the pieces of tape. Unplug the cables and remove the 2 screws. Lift the fan out of the system to remove it. To reinstall the system fan, place it back in the system and install the 2 screws. Plug in the cables and reattach the pieces of tape. Plug in the battery cable and reattach the piece of tape. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 7 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.